Hi, my name is Amanda Rosa, and I'm going to be presenting to you something that is invisible, but it makes an impact on your life and mine as well. I'm going to be speaking about radiation, and specifically the ones that occur in our daily lives on planet Earth. I'm going to be speaking about ionization radiation, as well as electromagnetic radiation. So, for example, on this beautiful day, we're not thinking how much radiation that we're affected by. We live our lives and we don't think we're being exposed by that much radiation. When you think of radiation, you sit there and think of an x-ray or something along those lines. But in the outside world, we're surrounded by radiation. So today I'll be presenting the different types of radiations that take up space. For example, when you're going to the beach, your skin reacts and turns red. So this is a big effect on how radiation takes a role in our daily lives as well. So you follow me, I'll be explaining to you what ionization radiation is, as well as electromagnetic radiation. Okay, as I said, I'll be explaining the different kinds of radiations we have. Your first one is your electromagnetic radiation. These are your radiations that travel in space as bundles of energy called photons. The form is pure energy, meaning there's no matter present at the moment. In general, we have two different kinds of electromagnetic radiations. You have electromagnetic ionizing. The examples of this would be your X-rays, your gamma rays, your cosmic rays, and ultraviolet radiations. So the main characteristic that makes this radiation ionizing is when it comes in contact made with matter and ejects electrons from the atom, creating your ions, which are unstable elements to react and convert it to free radicals. In general, this type of radiation produces the damage in tissue that may produce cancer or genetic defects. For example, when ultraviolet radiation penetrates the skin that is exposed, like I said before, on a sunny day on the beach, it can produce melanomas if exposed for too long. The radiation has very high frequency, short wavelengths, and high energy that can penetrate your tissue. Other form of radiation is your electromagnetic non-ionizing. So it'd be the opposite, meaning it's not going to produce damage in the tissue. These are your microwaves, your radio frequencies, as well using MRIs, your ultrasounds, your radars, radio stations, your cellular signals, TVs. These are all non-ionizing. This is also why ultrasound is recommended for those who are pregnant versus X-ray, because it can cause damage to the fetus. As well, there's another type of radiation called particulate, is unionizing. This radiation contains matter and energy. Potentially, it can produce big damage in your tissues. There's also different kinds. There's an alpha particle, your beta particles, and your fast neutrons. So the first one I'm talking about is your alpha particles. This is a particle that resembles the helium nuclei. So it has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. I'm going to show you a video after showing what these are, what they can do, what I'm explaining. So for your alpha particles, it's harmless in air because it only travels about 5 centimeters. But it could be stopped by a piece of paper or even your skin. But let's say if your skin has a small cut, the alpha particle can enter your skin and it becomes the most type of lethal radiation. It has a positive charge. And I was saying here in the video, you have your alpha, your betas as well. Now I'm saying it has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. This is an alpha particle in this video. This is just showing you, as I said, it could be stopped by a piece of paper or even the skin. And it's just showing how it can travel as well. Okay. Another one I'll be talking about is your beta. Beta are negative because they have an electron. Since the electrons have a negative charge, this becomes very dangerous as well. So overall, what I'm trying to get across the point here as well is ionizing radiation. In ionizing radiation in general, we have 2 different kinds. We have your electromagnetic and your particular. And your particular is your most dangerous one because it has matter and energy. So as I was saying, be aware. People think just walking outside is okay to be as exposed. Your skin is very sensitive. So you do have to be careful. Thank you.